In this video, we'll be looking at using volumes of prisms and cylinders to find missing measurements. So looking at number 1, it says you are building a 6-foot tall dresser. You want the volume to be 36 cubic feet. What should the area of the base be? Give a possible length and width. Okay, so I'm building some dresser. And so we know a dresser, that's going to be a rectangular prism. And we are told that it is 6 feet tall. So I know the height here is 6 feet. And I know that the total volume is 36 cubic feet. I want to know a possible length and width and what the area of the base should be. So say this is length, this is width. I want to know what B should be. Well, I know that volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. I'm told my volume is 36. I'm going to replace V with 36. I'm also told that the height is 6 feet. So I have 6B over here. And so now when I divide both sides by 6, I get that B should be 6 feet squared. So the area of the base needs to be 6 feet squared. So that's the answer to the first part. Then it says give a possible length and width. Well, I know for the area of a rectangle, you find it by multiplying length times width. So I know that my length times width needs to equal 6. So I just need to list out numbers that multiply to get to 6. Well, I know that 1 and 6 get 6, so one answer could be 1 feet by 6 feet. Or I could have 2 feet by 3 feet. Because 2 times 3 gets 6, 1 times 6 gets 6. Okay, looking at the second one, it says that the volume of a cylinder with a height of 9 centimeters is 1,000 centimeters cubed. Find the radius of the cylinder. And I want to use 3.14 for pi. So I want to first write down all the information I know. I'm first told that the volume is 1,000 centimeters cubed. So I know V is equal to 1,000. I'm also told the height is 9 centimeters. So if H is equal to 9. I also know the volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared H. However, this problem does tell me to use 3.14 for pi, so I'm going to replace that with 3.14 r squared H. And now I'm going to plug in all the information that I know. So I know that V is equal to 1,000, so I replace V with 1,000. And I know H is equal to 9. And now I'm going to solve this for R. So I have 1,000 is equal to 3.14 times 9. I get 28.26 R squared. I want to get R by itself, so I need to divide 28.26 from both sides. And so when I do that, I get 35.39, somewhere around there. And then I want to take the square root of both sides. And so when you take the square root of both sides, you should get that R is approximately 6 centimeters.